Alright, hello. There's a lot of wind. It's me, it's Paul, and there are some surfers, and there is the sun, it's setting. The sun sets once every 5 weeks, and then it comes back, giving us a little bit of light after 4.5 weeks of darkness. Over there is a boat that seems to be heading right towards the sun. I hope they don't collide. That would be bad. That would be really bad. It is too late for me to get out there to warn them. I am worried. But these surfers are going to make that effort, I think. I think they're going to take their boards out and try and warn that boat to not sail into the sun. That would be bad. And here are some birds. Birds are not native to California. I don't know if you know that. They migrate from other places, most likely Florida. It's like the trees. It is a beautiful night out here. It's windy now. It was warmer, much warmer today. I don't know who these people are. I don't know if they have a permit to film. I have a permit to film the sun going away. The reason why you get a permit is for events like this where a boat goes into the sun. That is dangerous. I don't know who is allowing this to happen. Having a root beer with not speckers. I'm looking for speckers. If I find it, I'm going to buy a bunch of them. See if we catch some waves. If the sun stops them. You gotta get up, you gotta get up. Almost. Oh, you're still doing it. At least you got farther than I did. I traveled about 20 feet when I surfed total. An hour and a half. Let's see what these guys do. They're not even trying to save that boat. That boat is going straight into the sun. That captain should be devoted to, like, I don't know, a major or a corporal or something. They are not doing a good job. But these guys, what are they doing? Are they coming back? Instead of rescuing the boat, they're just coming back into the beach. See what this person does. Nothing, not doing anything. I'm worried about that boat, everybody. It's very windy. Everyone knows it's windy. These lazy ass birds. They're not even flapping their wings. Well, now they are. Now they are. They all want a free ride. Well, the sun is going away. Hopefully it goes away before the boat reaches it. I am increasingly worried for that boat. If anyone, or I know anyone in the Coast Guard. Oh my God, the water is freezing. I don't know how these people are doing it. I am dying. I am dying just standing here. Yeah, look at that. Okay, stay up, stay up, stay up, stay up. You got it. This is still better than I did. I was the worst. I am the worst surfer who ever lived. Look at these birds. Look at these dumb birds. Where are you going? What are you doing up there? he's getting close. Maybe the boat will miss the sun. Let's check out this guy. Almost. Look at that. The sun is going away forever and ever. They're giving up. She's got it. Paddle, you gotta let the wave. The next one's probably gonna get her. Well, not close enough. Alright, it looks like that ship is barely going to miss the sun. That is good. That would be an expensive collision. Who fixes the sun? That was a burp by me. I'm having a root beer. Not my favorite, but I'm having it. The sun is going away. Beautiful night. I think those surfers have disappeared and were eaten by sharks. I hope not. Oh no, they're over there. Okay. Should have kept track of them. Sorry, I didn't. Alright, let's take a look. One last chance. Yeah, the sun is going away and the boat applied the brakes, although it looks like it's turning and it's going towards the sun. It's trying to catch the sun as the sun goes away. It's like, no, maybe it's like a fishing net for the sun. And it looks like the sun is gone. Well, that is it for the sun here in the ocean. Beautiful San Francisco. Ocean beach. A beautiful day. I'm going to go look and see what I can do tonight. If you have ideas, drop me a line. If you are a sexy lady and you're rich, call me. Lots of money. I need lots of money. So bring me lots of money. That would be swell. What is going on with the shoe? What is going on here? Looks like they tried to crucify somebody. The guy got away. That was my burping. And that is the last of the sun set. What a beautiful day. I'm so glad I'm here. See you later.